so many materials are there. See, ABS, starting from ABS, brass is also there, iron is also there. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, then I have added a link in description. You can watch the video. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to RSTOOLS India. I am Rahul, and in this video, I am going to tell you how to add density in NX. Okay, so let's start. See, before learning how to add density, first understand why we add density. Okay, suppose you want to measure the weight of any product or the volume, anything. Okay, so you should know the density also. Okay, see, suppose I'm starting with a block like this block, then same dimensions, and okay, suppose this is a block, and this block can be a metal, can be a plastic. So when you're measuring the weight, you should give the density also. Okay, so if you know the density, that is better. Okay, if you know which matter is this is a metal, this is brass, ABS, anything. Okay, so first option you have is, like, you can use the library of NX. There's a library of NX. You can assign the material. Okay, I'll show you. Menu and tools, materials, assign material. Okay, see, so many materials are there. See, ABS, starting from ABS, brass is also there, iron is also there, so many materials are also there. Okay, so you can use these materials, like suppose this is polypropylene or glass filled or ABS. Suppose I'm using ABS right now. Okay, this is ABS, and this is the product I want to assign. Okay, and okay. Now how to measure the weight? Menu, analysis, measure body. This change to mass. So the weight is 1.05 kgs. Easy. Okay, the next option is, in the NX library we don't have all the materials. Okay, suppose you have the density and you want to add your density and measure the weight. You can do like this also, no issue. Okay, suppose I'm changing the part, like I'm adding some blends. Okay, and 10. Okay, and shell 3. Okay, obviously the weight should be decreased because I have removed so much material. So much material I have removed. Okay, this is a box type now. Okay, so menu, analysis, measure body. This, now the weight is 0.14 grams. Okay, so this is the first method. Okay, second method is, we'll add the density manually. Okay, how to add the density manually? Okay, I'm designing another part, cylinder 00, height I'm taking 100. Okay, no issue. Again, so I want to add the density. Okay, suppose this is a plastic. Okay, and you have the data sheet. Okay, suppose this is the data sheet. Okay, so the company have already done the testing and gives me this data sheet. Okay, and but after reading this data sheet, the shrinkage is this. Not a shrinkage. The density is this, ranging from 1.33 to 1.37. Simple. Okay, so how to add? Very easy. Like this. Menu, edit, feature, solid density. This gram centimeter cube, that is okay, and 1.35. Suppose I'm using. Okay, simple. Now again add the weight, analysis, measure body. This I want to measure, and mass. The weight is 1.06 kgs. So this is the second option. You can add the density manual also. If you don't want to use the library of NX, the material library of NX, then you can add the density like this also manually. Okay. Okay. So again, let's try edge blend and shell. Again, I'm trying menu, analysis, measure body, this mass 0.146881 kgs. Simple. So by this method you can add the density or you can assign the material also according to you. If you really enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.